Hey guys, it's your girl Coconut.
Yeah.
Today I'm back here with another video, and today I am doing another wig install video. I've done one of these before on my channel, and I'm doing it again to see if I've improved. And if you guys want to see if I have improved, then make sure you guys continue watching and stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm doing a wig review for ChinaLaceWigs. I'll put a clip in about me talking about the wig when I first got it and stuff. This video is sponsored by ChinaLaceWig, and I just want to do a first impression. I already opened the package, so it just came like this in this little box. So so it came with makeup brushes and makeup brushes, eyebrow brushes. They're synthetic. They're soft though. I honestly forgot. I think this wig is straight. I honestly got other wigs, but this is what I think this is 24 inches. I obviously can't put it on because I have braids on, so it smells good. It's soft. Okay. Y'all see that? Like, the plucking is really nice. So I obviously don't gotta pluck. Okay, the plucking's overly nice. This hair is soft too. At first it felt like the ends are kind of rough, because when I first opened it, it was rough. Let me take the stuff off my head. But yeah, this is nice. But I'm gonna have to tint it. It's thin though. They obviously gave me like 150, so wish they gave me like a thicker one, but it is what it is. Okay, so now that you guys have watched that, you guys have been asking me about how I got my lace to be invisible. And honestly, I didn't even do anything like that. I just what did I do? I didn't use a ball cap, but I want to use a ball cap. So, but yeah, I didn't use a ball cap. If you have me on Instagram, you've seen my pictures. And I did not use a ball cap. So I don't got no got2b freeze glue or got2b glue on me right now. And I'm gonna just use some Gorilla Snot gel. It should work the same. You thought? Or not better. And yeah, we just go see if this works. Cause everybody using the same techniques. Why can't we just be different from once, huh? I'm just about to put it on. I'm just about to put it on my.
Bitch, what?
Edges. If this doesn't work, it's fine. Now I'm gonna do the same thing like you would do with got2b glue, and I'm gonna use a blow dryer. So I think it worked, but I don't think it would have worked. It probably would have worked better with, it would have worked better with got2b glue or freeze spray. Now to my hairline, so I'm gonna cut it straight. It feels like I'm about to blast off my face. Chill on that. It's like green and stuff, bro. Okay, this should be pretty good for the installation. Okay, but now I'm just gonna take my foundation. True Match, you guys already know what I use. If you're new to my channel, then this is what I use. I got it from Target if you wanna pick some up. I'm using my beauty blender to blend it out on the bald cap. I know some people usually get like the browner bald cap if they're like dark skin and stuff. I think this should work fine. Put a little more on the lace. It's kind of messed up now. I honestly need to wash the lace again, but I didn't have any rubbing alcohol to like, you know, cleanse the lace, so like the lace has like glue on it, but that's fine. I'm gonna get some this weekend and I'm gonna fix it up. But I'm just gonna put the extra foundation I have on my hand on the lace. Let's just hope I did not ruin the lace, because this lace is actually, it's good. It's, you know, it's strong. It's suitable. All that stuff, all of this stuff. I'm just gonna put it on. Oh my God. This looks a hot mess after a long day of school, but you already know we finna fix it up and we finna make it look like it was never at school. Period. I'm just gonna match it like where I want my lace to be. Okay, I'm gonna do section by section. First, I'm gonna start with the top section. And I'm using Ghost Bond. Really recommend this. The wig cap is slipping back. I guess that Gorilla Snot did not help. But here, I'm just gonna put it on there and grab the blow dryer and okay, now that I have that part nice and done, I'm gonna just work my way onto this side. While I put my headband on, it's on. So I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I have moved to the bathroom. I'm sorry, the lighting is not that good. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so like as you guys can see, the lace is like, you know, it's like gluey and stuff. That's fine, we're gonna fix it. See, like I can comb it back and my wig won't come off on this side. We'll see about this side. But y'all see that? So if I wanted to, I could do a ponytail. See about this side. I feel like this like side of the lace is more messed up than this side. Okay, so I'm gonna glue it right here again, but I'm gonna do that later. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, I don't know why there's a bubble right here. No reason why there should be because I did this part first, but I'll fix it later when I'm done. I'm gonna comb the hair back. I will be straightening the hair again too because I wanna see how it is. I might do the wand curls because I like those. It's like a beach curl. Let me take this off my neck, bro. But okay, I'm gonna put some mousse. I got this from Dollar Tree, Bella Linda hair mousse. I'm just playing. I want to actually do an ASMR video though, and if you guys would like to see that, let me know. I should have done the beach curls, huh? I already got the mousse in my hair. Let's just get this boy started. Okay, I hate this side. Like this side, I'm pretty sure I cut the lace like 2 days ago. I can't remember, I have bad memory. But yeah, so this side is a really bad side, but just look at this side. Lace undetected. Like, this is my real hair. What are you talking about? But just gonna put some more. Brush my hair. I'm gonna put in my hot. I know this video is like all over the place. I don't even know what I'm gonna title it. I might just title it like I think I might do straight because my hair's not looking up here. When I see myself on camera with straight, I was like, you looking mad fine, baby girl. I'm gonna use my edge brush and I'm just gonna swoop them up. And this, y'all see that? Like, I need to glue it again. But am I? No. This is my hair. This bubble does not want to go away. Okay, so that's my hair. I'm just gonna straighten it to get it like to become like straight. I was gonna do a tutorial instead because I feel like this video is a low-key a flop, but it's okay. We're just gonna continue. So straighten it. I have to wait until the plates get hot, but dang it. Sorry, my bench is squeaky. So I'm just gonna spray it with some heat protecting and straightening spray. I feel like this actually really helps if you don't want to give your unit don't mind my ball cap. If you want to give your unit, like if you don't want it to get any heat damage. Okay. So I'm just gonna brush it. Okay, so I'm just gonna start in the back so it's easier for me. And then, yeah. Maybe I was mistaken. Maybe I shouldn't have been curling it all this time, bro. Okay, so I have this first side done. There's like a few bumps because I was like, honestly, I'm getting impatient, so I just started going at it. But it's like, this is my belly button. It's 20 inches. It goes like past it. My belly button's right here. So I'm on my shirt. It has makeup on it. Okay, so my hair is done. I straightened it. It's like right at my belly button. So I'm about to put some more mousse because when I straightened it, it got messed up. So. And this is the final look. Look, this part still don't want to go down, but I just want to show you guys, like, this is not the best like thing I've done. My hair this side is pretty good though. Stuff's just not going right, but I need to do a review for them. This hair is really nice. I really recommend you guys to get this hair because it's really nice quality, high quality. Everything about this hair is down in the description box below, and you guys need to go purchase y'all hair. Like, go purchase y'all hair from ChinaLaceWig. .com. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys all enjoyed it, if you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I upload. And without further ado, let's just get out of this video. Shadan Shabad.